My name is Hisham. We've been living here for over 5 years. And yeah, we had a basement that was unfinished, and we needed a company that will help us, contractor that will help us to finalize and finish the basement. We're talking to our neighbors who just finished renovating their basement as well with Level Up Group, and then we only heard good things about them, the trust they had with them. We went and see the work, we were impressed, and then we had an appointment with Michael, who came in, and we talked to him, saw what we really wanted to do, and then he just pulled up his Excel sheet and he gave us a quote. We were happy with the quote, happy how we handled the plan he had in mind and how to handle a project in terms of timelines and organization. We were really impressed, and then we just went with him right away. The team came in with a designer. We started talking about the layout. We did a few tweaks. We got some recommendation. We're happy with how we end up adjusting the layout. They start working right away. They were on time all the time. So we were really impressed with the professionalism and the level of these guys were just professionals. Everyone from Level Up Group, from the framer to the plumber to the electrician to drywall, painter, everyone just I've never seen something like that. So we're really happy seeing a space for the kids to be able to play. We needed a second bathroom, a proper laundry room. So that's everything we wanted, we got. Yeah, I highly recommend Level Up Group to anyone. I feel like I've done it already. So when someone mentioned a contractor, I would just talk about Level Up Group. So highly recommend it.